Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap Viera West local and long-distance movers near me. Local moving companies play an essential role in helping residents efficiently and conveniently move their homes or businesses. At our local moving company, we offer various services to help people move around Viera West, from packing and unloading to shipping and unloading. Long-distance moves require much more planning and preparation than local moves, and moving in and out of the state from Viera West, Florida, can be stressful. A long-distance move requires the mover to plan the transportation logistics, which requires more time and effort. Our reputable long-distance moving company can help you navigate the intricacies of such a move and ensure all your belongings are transported safely and efficiently to your new location. With the proper planning and the help of our professional moving company, your long-distance move with Viera West can be smooth and stress-free. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Viera West moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.